sorry. Oh, let me grab you some.
Oh. No, it's all right. I got it.
Are you sure? I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Here. I'm sorry.
Video chat, Samantha. Hey.
You had the chip implanted.
Yeah, well, I wanted to see you more, so I thought I'd give it a try.
It'll be good for us. How does it feel?
Still a little tender.
Yeah, that goes away in about a week. Can you see me all right through the contacts? Full color spectrum?
Yeah. I don't think this is a permanent fix for us.
Jo and Lisa are long distance and she swears by it.
Well, it's not the chip. I'm tired of talking to you through a screen.
This is where my job is.
Can you visit soon? It's only 6 hours.
Hold on, I'm getting a call.
Wait. Call him back. I want to talk to you.
I know, this is important.
Call him back. Can you just...
God damn it! That was my boss.
Why can't he just walk over to your office and open the door?
Because he's in a luncheon with the rest of my team and I missed it to have lunch with you.
We can video chat every day, and it still won't be enough.
It could, you just don't want it to be.
You told me a few months, it's been 8. Doesn't that bother you?
Jo and Lisa haven't been face to face in over a year.
I'm not Joe and you're not Lisa.
I shouldn't have tried to make this work today. I'm gonna go have lunch with the rest of my team.
This shouldn't be so hard.
Well, it is.
I want this to work. Isn't that what you want too?
I don't know anymore.
That, Robert Bly?
Yeah.
I just finished reading Iron John.
Oh, yeah, I'm really enjoying this book. It's his entire collection from the 1960s.
I'll have to check it out.
Yeah.
I'm Matt, by the way.
I'm Natalie. Nice to meet you. Do you come here often?